Welcome back to Be a Sponge. In this activity, we're going to work on two things. The first activity is we're going to modify our sound so it's not so repetitive. And the second thing is we're going to make the background change every 3 seconds. So with that, let's get started. So we go to this button with the files, My Stuff, click on it. Then we go to see inside the code. So click on that. And here we are. It's loading our project. Now we go to the Sounds tab here. Play it. There it goes. So instead of those 2 beats, let's just do 1. So from here, I'm going to click it, drag it over, and I don't want that second part, so I'm going to cut it. So let's play it. That's it. So go back to the code, or you could do it from here and press go. And click on it, it just does 1 click. It's not repetitive no more. So we fixed that. So the next activity we're going to do is we're going to make the background change. So we're going to go when clicked. There you go. Next, we're going to go to the looks. So when background, switch background to how about desert. Next, we're gonna go and make it wait a little bit. So wait from the controls area right here to say every 3 seconds. Then we're gonna go back to we're gonna go back to looks again. We could duplicate it and do it, but I'm doing it this way to show you how it's done again. Background and change to Galaxy. And with that, go back to controls and make it wait. There you go. Every 3 seconds. And one more time, we're gonna go to looks and switch to background to how about playing field. And next we're gonna do it, make it go on forever. So we're gonna stick this right there, and that's it. So with that, let's enlarge it by full screen and play it. Let's go. Gotcha. Oh, there's a sound. There it goes. Oh, space. Galaxy. Oh, that's desert. Missed. Got it. Galaxy again. Ooh, desert. Galaxy. It seems like that the woods get really skipped. So let's stop this. Exit full screen. Oh, it's a playing field. So let's change this to theater. Try one more time and see if it works. And not full screen. Or let's do it with screen. Let's go. There you go. I missed. Gotcha. There you go. That's a troubleshooting we have to do. Do that. So let's go back to the control and let's do wait. Whoops. Wait right after here and change that to 2 seconds and start play again. I missed again. Galaxy. There's a there. You'll have to wait. And that's how we do it. Thanks for joining me. Background change every